How do you organize your data and reporting in your business? I'm Selwyn, and I'm the CFO at Inecta. I've been working in finance and software for the last 20 plus years and have implemented clients on our Inecta Food solution too. We use our Inecta Food BI solution to run our business internally to get real-time information and updated reporting to the teams. Today, I want to talk about how we use our Inecta Food BI solution and the problems it solves for food companies. Most businesses in the food industry deal with huge amounts of data, from inventory and production to sales, quality, financials. But the reality is that a lot of that data lives in different places and often comes from separate systems, sometimes many Excel files. Even if it's all in one ERP, it's often difficult to actually see what's going on. So what we often find is teams spending hours, sometimes days, every month building static reports, pulling data from systems into spreadsheets, emailing versions back and forth, trying to tie it all together, and by the time they're finished, the information can already be out of date. Our Inecta BI solution, which is built on top of Power BI and uses ETL technology, changes all that by giving you a live interactive view of your data. Because it's connected directly to your Inecta Food ERP, you're not exporting to Excel and trying to patch things together. It's pulling straight from your actual ERP tables on a schedule. So you're always looking at current and up-to-date information. With Inecta BI, you're able to slice and dice your sales data by customer, product, region, or other metrics in seconds. You can spot aging inventory before it becomes a write-off. You can track gross margins, production variances, quality issues, and whatever's critical to your business, and then drill right down from the high level all the way down to summary and even individual transactions. This means a lot less manual work and errors, and instead of building reports from scratch each week and each month, your teams can focus on actually understanding the data and making decisions. So probably the biggest advantage is speed. If something changes, say a big customer reduces orders or production doesn't output as much as expected today, you can see the impact immediately. You're not waiting for the next manually created reports to realize there's an issue. So by using our BI solution with Inecta Food, you're getting real business intelligence. You're not just storing data, you're actually using it to run your company smarter and proactively. If you want to dive deeper or see some real examples of what this looks like, reach out and we'd love to walk you through it.